Glashutte Original. Glashutte Original. Hey guys, today I want to show you quickly this cool wristwatch. It's a vintage wristwatch. It's Glashutte Original. I want to talk about it because back in the days of YouTube, EDC Gunner YouTube channel, I promoted a lot of vintage Omega watches, like vintage NF, great value for money, great bang for buck, not gonna break the bank. Unfortunately, people have caught on, and now the prices are not so great. So then I recommended old vintage Tissot watches and Longines and Zenith watches and whatnot, but here's a brand. This is Glashutte Original. Nowadays this is a luxury watch brand. The prices are 10k and plus, and you get a great watches for that money. But if you want to have a taste, a smell of that, a little bit, just a little bit, because this is a vintage watch, you need to find one in steel. Great movement, interesting, but as you can see, there's nothing luxury about it except its name. And when it comes to luxury watches, name is everything. So you can put Rolex on a chocolate bar. It's gonna be a very expensive chocolate bar, or on a pen, and you get the gist. So yeah, this I want to recommend you, Glashutte Original. Now let's switch perspectives, and I want to show you the closer look of the watch. So check this dial out, guys. I just got this watch. I got it in a trade with my buddy, and you can see it needs a little bit of work. There's a scratch or the crack on the crystal here. I'm probably gonna replace the crystal, and this dial, beauty of this dial will come out. And yeah, you can see, just want to show you a closer look. It's stainless steel case, Glashutte Spezimatic. Very cool watch, very vintagey, very vintage vibes on it. And yeah, I think this is a great value for money. And back in the days, I was promoting Omega, and you can get a Tissot, but Tissot is a Tissot, you know. This Glashutte, what you're wearing on the wrist, it's Glashutte. And Glashutte nowadays is a luxury brand, so you get a little bit, a dash of luxury for a fraction of a price. And yeah, that's what my channel is about.